Hello, I'm Tom Connell, and welcome to the Simplex Spotlight video series. In this edition, we shine the spotlight on the Simplex TrueAlert ES addressable speakers, a groundbreaking new addition to the Simplex fire alarm notification appliance line. TrueAlert ES addressable speakers have an array of features that set a new standard for fire alarm audio system performance, flexibility, and sound quality. Let's take a look at what makes them so special. TrueAlert ES addressable speakers are the first in the industry to have individual on-off control. This means that for the first time, audio messages can be played exactly where they're needed and only where they're needed, no matter how the audio system was wired during installation. This helps building occupants get the information that they need to effectively and safely respond to an emergency. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Incredibly flexible wiring architecture allows notification appliances and audio circuits to be T-tapped, helping designers and installers minimize wiring, maximize efficiency, and reduce overall system cost. The system can be programmed to target messages to individual speakers or groups of speakers based on the conditions of the alarm. By breaking the relationship between how the system is wired and how emergency messages can be played, TrueAlert ES systems become incredibly easy to deploy and update as the needs and occupancy of the facility evolve. TrueAlert ES speakers feature a streamlined housing for a lower profile device that is better able to blend into the building environment. You'll also hear the difference with these new speakers. When it comes to audio systems, it's all about sound. The system needs to be loud enough to hear in a noisy environment and clear enough to understand every word. TrueAlert ES addressable speakers have the power to help ensure emergency messages are heard and the industry's best frequency range so that they can be understood. In fact, the new speakers sound so good, they rival some of the biggest names in audio. The excellent quality of the speakers makes them ideal for non-emergency paging operations in places like hospitals and airports. And the speakers also sound good enough to deliver background music in places like retail stores and malls. And because the fire alarm system speakers are fully supervised by the panel and have battery backup, they can deliver a level of reliability and peace of mind that no PA system can match. In addition to groundbreaking speaker control capabilities and fantastic audio quality, these speakers are part of the TrueAlert ES family. Each appliance is addressed and supervised so that if any are damaged or no longer operate, you are alerted and the exact appliance where the issue is identified. TrueAlert ES also means revolutionary self-test capability. Appliances can test themselves and alert the panel if speaker or strobe operation is not detected. Testing takes only seconds and can be triggered manually or scheduled for any time of the day or night, dramatically reducing disruption to building occupants and helping to reduce testing labor and costs. When testing is complete, you can view and download the results, making reporting to compliance and code officials simple and easy. All of these features take notification to another level of capability, safety, and value for architects, engineers, contractors, building owners, and facility managers. With better audio quality, flexible design, simple operation, advanced reporting, and easier installation, Simplex TrueAlert ES notification is the right solution for your facility. To learn more, visit simplex-fire.com or contact your local Simplex representative. Thanks for watching.